Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Audi E-Tron charger. First, let's cover the basics of charging your Audi E-Tron. We'll start by identifying the different types of chargers you might encounter, both at home and on the go. Then, I'll show you exactly where to find the charging port on your vehicle, ensuring you can always connect with ease. Finally, we'll walk through the straightforward process of securely attaching the charging cable. Now, let's differentiate between AC and DC charging, which are the two primary methods for powering your E-Tron. AC charging, often found at home or public stations, is ideal for slower, overnight top-ups. DC fast charging, on the other hand, provides a rapid boost, perfect for when you need to quickly add range during longer journeys. Understanding these differences helps you choose the right option. To make the most of your Audi E-Tron charging experience, consider these optimization tips. Scheduling your charging sessions during off-peak electricity hours can significantly reduce your costs. Also, utilize the convenient Audi app to remotely monitor your battery's status and charging progress. Proper maintenance of your charging cables and equipment ensures both safety and efficient power delivery for years to come. Finally, let's look at some advanced tips and useful accessories. Smart charging features can precondition your battery for optimal efficiency, especially in extreme temperatures. For added flexibility, consider portable charging solutions that offer power when you're away from home. And for a great addition to any space, check out the Echo Dot smart speaker. You can find a link to this and other great deals in the description below. These tools enhance your E-Tron ownership.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.